Hi there, it's Marg from the OET workshop. What does it take to pass the OET test? It certainly is not an easy walkover test. It requires you to have lots of confidence in your own ability and, I believe, very good grammar, good spoken grammar and good written grammar. It also needs you to be able to read English fairly quickly, understand what you read on the first reading, not have to go back and reread, and good listening abilities. Listen out for the missing word, listening out for the implied information. I'm offering people a free grammar book. It's upgraded and it's now got embedded video links in the book to give you step-by-step instructions on all kinds of grammar points, articles, commas, when to use them, semicolons, when to use those, capitalisation, apostrophes, all those sorts of things. So if you'd like a copy of this free grammar book with video embedded links, please click on the button and it will be yours. And if you'd like some OET preparation, don't forget to look at the OETworkshop.com. Thanks for listening.